the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Reliance Communications Orbic Wonder. So this is a new phone on Verizon Prepaid service. So the Orbic Wonder has been out for a while, bit unlocked, but now it is on a US prepaid carrier, so this is pretty cool. So this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind that Orbic Wonder is $99.99 and it's available in black, and it's only in 16 gigabytes only. So this is a budget phone, like I said. So this is what the front of the phone looks like. You guys have a earpiece, front-facing camera flash in front, which is pretty nice. You have your screen there, and you have your on-screen keys, and you have your power and volume button on the right side. So yeah, it says here, step up your entertainment experience with the Orbic Wonder. Enjoy cinematic colors and details on a 5.5-inch Full HD display. Capture photos on an 8-megapixel front camera with wide-angle view, and store more of your favorite apps, movies, photos, and more using 16 gigabytes of built-in storage, all on a device that you can use for up to 24 hours per charge. Unlock the full potential of your Orbic Wonder with consistently fast speeds from the nation's largest and most reliable 4G LTE network. Verizon's flexible prepaid plans give you the freedom to pay for what you want when you want it. Freedom from annual contracts, activation fees, and credit checks. Alright, so this is pretty cool. So it has the 8-megapixel front-facing camera, which is nice. I'm not sure about the rear. So the Orbic Wonder has 7 days of standby time, up to 9 hours of usage time. 8-megapixel camera. It is 3.3 inches in width and 6.17 inches in height there. So the premium entertainment device. Watch movies, play games, and more on a impressive 5.5-inch Full HD display with 1920 by 1080 resolution. Keep your screen looking like new with Orbit's 401 PPI scratch resistant glass. Alright, so it has 401 PPI there, so the display not too bad. I mean, that's decent, not bad for $100. Capture more of your surroundings. Snap a long sweeping stretch of the horizon, or get all your friends together for one giant group shot. The Orbic Wonder's 8-megapixel front camera includes a wide-angle view for a bigger, fuller picture. Keep more, wait less. Store more of your favorite things with 16 gigabytes of storage, or add up to an extra 256 gigabytes using a micro SD card with its 2 gigabytes of RAM. The Orbic Wonder lets you multitask between games, browsers, and apps while enjoying a smooth and reliable performance. Around the world access. Stay connected in more places. The Orbic Wonder is global and travel pass compatible, allowing you to talk, text, and use data in more than 130 countries. So that's pretty cool there, guys. So this phone has pretty good features on it. It has a 8-megapixel front-facing camera with a wide-angle lens and all that. So the specs on the Orbic Wonder, like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. It has 7 days of standby time, usage time is 9 hours. 8-megapixel front camera. I think it's 8-megapixel rear camera. I'm not sure what the rear is. The weight of the Orbic Wonder is 5.6 ounces. The height is 6.17 inches. The width is 3.3 inches. The depth is 0.33 inches. It's available in black there, so you know it is what it is. It has a 5.5 inch Full HD display with scratch resistant glass, 3000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable, so your SIM card is on the left side. It has your side ratings there, hearing aid, expandable memory, up to 256 gigabytes of micro SD card, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of ROM. It has a Snapdragon MSM 8937 64-bit octa-core processor, 1.4 gigahertz. So not bad for $100. So if you guys need help with your Orbic Wonder, device support is here to help you with that from Verizon. It will show you guys how to use features on the phone and stuff like that, and settings and all of that. So what you guys get in the box is the Orbic Wonder, pre-installed SIM card, 3000 mAh battery, which is not removable, wall adapter, USB cable, USB connector, quick reference guide, important consumer safety information, product safety and warranty brochure. So there it is, guys, the Orbic Wonder now available at Verizon Prepaid for $99.99. So this is a interesting phone. I don't know what OS this phone runs, to be honest with you. I don't know. If you guys know what OS this phone runs, let me know. So yeah, so if you guys are looking to get a budget phone or a backup phone, or if you guys want to try this phone out, I mean, go right ahead. It's $99 at Verizon Prepaid, so not too bad. Specs from here are, you know, decent. This is a budget phone. I like the fact that it has 4G display, 4G LTE, a micro SD card. I like the fact that it has an 8 megapixel front camera. I think it has an 8 megapixel rear camera as well. You know, there's some of the specs that I like about this phone. It's not too bad for what it is. This is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. But it's not too bad. And so if you guys are looking for a backup phone or a first phone for your kid or whatever, this could be the phone to check out. This phone has been out for a while now via unlocked, but now it's available on a US prepaid carrier on Verizon. So this is pretty cool. So yeah. So like I said, guys, if you guys know what OS this phone runs, let me know, because it does not mention any OS information in this. So yeah, that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.